Proctor through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Starting 13th going to be Chris Proctor. And their final two spots will be Wes Hendrickson and Aniston Bush in that 7B. Yep, Aniston Bush there at the tail of the field. 2 by 2 going to roll into the corner. Green flag in the air, and we're underway with Sport Mods. Super Lake Models to staging. Super Lake Models to staging for the Mountaineer 50 coming up. One slow down the back straightaway. Believe that's going to be a 57 of Aaron Carter. Caution is out. With no laps complete, problems for Carter. Nose to tail down into turn number 3 and 4. Working now off the corner. Green flag in the air. Noah Johnson up into the wall. And he's going to keep it. Nope, caution. It's out. Oh, we got him record. Scattered, smothered, covered. Worse than a Waffle House platter. Four or 5 cars involved. And what we like to call in South Carolina a melee. All right, trying to get the 5 into the pits. His night is done. And we don't think he has a race receiver either, which that's an automatic end of the night too. Get him Delaware double file behind the leader, Bryce Ryan. Connor New there in the C10. Drivers being told, let's get some laps in. We can't, we get another caution. It will go single file. Their time limit is being pushed and clicking away. Green up flag in the air. Bryce Ryan. Connor New. Harley Martin, Aaron Carter. Meadows and everybody keeping it straight, and we'll keep it green. Bryce Ryan, still your race leader as we got now 2 laps in the books. Oh, Harley Martin getting loose big time, and oh, they're going around. Super Lake Models to staging. Super Lake Models to staging. Super Lake Models, we need you in staging and ready to go for your main event. Jack West around in the 271 getting collected. No laps. Looks like the 14 is going to rejoin us. Got our Bud Light Street Stocks ready to go. Supers be getting ready as well. Green flag in the air. Going to pick it back up here with our Sport Mods. Bryce Ryan going to take them down into the corner of the 22 machine of Martin. Oh, and we got them all tangled up and mangled up in turn 1 and 2. Proctor, Jackie West, the 271, the 7B of Bush, all involved in that one. Green flag back in the air. Bryce Ryan going to take him down into 1 and 2. He'll lead the field over Martin in the 22. And the 9 is going to go around and loop it. And the caution is back out once again. Bryce Ryan with the lead down into turn number 3 and 4. Lights are off around the Speedway. The 36 of Bryce Ryan. Harley Martin, Connor New, a 3-car breakaway up front. And the 14 gonna loop it around. Work. Green flag in the air. Bryce Ryan in the 36, machine the 22 of Harley Martin in second. Connor New in third. That's your top 3. The 16 machine of Greg Callahan Jr. in the 4th position. Coming back white that time, and we've got them wrecking down in the corner. Track is blocked, checkered, and caution. Checkered and caution to finish it. Bryce Ryan. Bud Light Street Stocks, Bud Light Street Stocks, Super Lake Models, Bud Light Street Stocks, Super Lake Models. You need to be ready to rock. Let's hear it for Bryce Ryan, your Sports Mod winner.